Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Cafeteria, and today I'm going to be doing a Kappa Media tutorial on Photoshop's Lasso Tool. Okay, what we're going to start off doing here is, if you've never used Photoshop before, I'm going to open the photo here that I'm going to be doing. In this case I'm using a die. I'm going to go over here to the Lasso Tool. Now with the Lasso Tool, there's many different kinds you can use. There's the normal Lasso Tool, the magnetic Lasso Tool, which kinda sticks to the colors. Today I'm going to be showing you all three of these. I'm going to start off with just the normal one. Now the normal one is for if you want to be a little more detailed. The other ones you are kind of just for a little quick edit, and this one is for more detailed work. So I'm just gonna, and it kind of helps if you zoom in on the photo. You're able to see it better and also work better with it. I'm just gonna kind of do a quick circle around the die. I'm not gonna really get real detailed about it. So just gonna do this here. Do that. And if you do mess up and you don't like what you did, you can always right click on in the selected area and click deselect, and that just gets rid of it, and you can redo it or whatever. So do this again. Okay, now there's two things you can do. You can either copy it to another layer, or cut the layer. I'm gonna copy the layer, and that just makes a copy of what I just selected with the Lasso Tool. So then I would be able to move that new layer around in the photo. Okay, now if I were to cut the layer, it would just get rid of that part of the photo. Well, it wouldn't get rid of it, it just make that what you selected one layer instead of copying and making another layer. So then you can remove that from the photo there to maybe another photo or something. I'm going to go to the magnetic lasso tool. Like I said, the magnetic lasso tool locks onto the color. Like for this one, it'd be fairly easy because out here it's like tan and the die is black itself, but down here it might get a little harder because the shadow and the die are both black. So with magnetic lasso tool, you just click once, it starts it, and then you can just keep clicking or just keep going around. And like right here, you can probably just keep going around, but once you get down to the shadow, see, like I messed up right there because you don't want to go too fast with it because you'll just mess up until you get really good with it. Like right down here, see that it kind of, like, watch if I just keep going. It's just kind of getting messed up and stuff. Like, you want to click, the more you click, the more detailed it will be. So like right down here with the shadow, you want to click more. And then once you get back out here, you can just kind of keep going around like this. And again, if you don't like it, just deselect it or press the undo button up here, and it will get rid of it, and you can retry it. Both these lasso tools and stuff, you can, what you select, I didn't mention it with the other lasso tool, but you can do like refine the edges, and it like either smooths, kind of feathers it, and it has examples down here, like contract / expand, feather it, and you can do all that stuff. But yeah, like again, you can either copy it or you can cut it. Now into the Polygonal Lasso Tool. With this, you click once, and with this, it's a straight line. That's why it's called the Polygonal Lasso Tool, and you can just kind of go like this. Again, this is kind of just like a little fast one. Or if you have like a straight edge you want to kind of cut out, this would be easier for straight edges. With this die, it's not very easy. If it was a normal one, it'd be a little easier though. That's what this is kind of meant for, not round objects. Again, I'm just kind of trying to go fast here. I'm not trying to be neat like that. But then you'd be able to copy it to another layer, move it around, all that. And there is the quick selection tool also. It's kind of just for a little quick thing here, like you just hold down and it kind of attracts to the color and stuff. Just go around the die. Like right down here with the shadow, it gets a bit difficult. Make sure you get like that. See, it kind of selected some of the shadow. I mean, my personal favorite is probably, and then you can like copy and cut it. But anyway, but like I was saying, my personal favorite is probably the magnetic lasso tool, just because it's quick and it still kind of gets that okay, good looking detail. But if you want really good detail, more professional look, I would definitely go with the normal lasso tool.